Let's see this question. We're given an equation with two variables, x and y. And we assume x and y not equal to each other and both positive integers. But if x can equal to y, so one solution would be x equals to y equals 13, right? Because 1 over 13 plus 1 over 13 would be 2 over 13. But we're given x not equal to y, so we want to solve for other solutions of x plus y, right? Our goal is to find x plus y, with x and y are different. So how do we do this? So this one needs some skills. So first, we want to write 1 over x plus 1 over y. We want to combine those two terms, right? We'll get x plus y divided by xy. For 1 over x, we times y over y. 1 over y, we times x over x. So we get x plus y divided by xy equals to 2 over 13. Now we'll cross multiply. So x plus y times 13 equals to 2 times xy. Then we distribute 13 to this and move 2xy to the left-hand side. We make the right-hand side to be 0. So one of the skills to solve equations to make one side to be 0 and factor out the other side, hopefully. So in this case, that's our goal. Okay, we move every term to the left-hand side, make the right-hand side to be 0 in it. Then we're trying to do something to make this in a factored form. So now we observe we have 13x plus 13y minus 2xy equals 0. So let's multiply by 2, right? Why we do this? Why we want to multiply by 2? 26x plus 26y minus 4xy. And we also want to add 169 because we're thinking to make 2x minus something and then multiply by 2x minus something. Right, we want to factor out the left-hand side. So we see this is one way to make it in a factored form. 26x plus 26y minus 4xy plus 13 squared, which is 169. Well, when we add 169, we have to add 169 on the other side also. Now, these 4 terms give us 2 factors. 2x minus 13 times 2y minus 13. We see here, we have 2x times 2y, that's 4xy, right? Then 2x times, oh, you know what? Yeah, because we have to make this one positive. So that means we have to make this one negative. Now, negative 169, right? Because if negative 4xy become positive now. And 2x times negative 13, that's 26x, right? Become positive. Negative 13 times 2y, that's negative 26y. But it was 26y positive before. So it just multiply negative 1 on both sides. So now we're in a factored form. So this is a factor, this is a factor. And the left-hand side, we have negative 169. So the solutions could be, well, we don't want those two to be the same, right? Because if we consider, because 169 has one factor to be 13 times 13. But that will make x and y equal to each other. But we're given x are not equal to y, so we want to find other solutions. So that means the other factors of 169 is 1 and 169 itself. So that means each factor can be either positive negative 1 or positive negative 169. And we're looking for x plus y. So let's add those two equations. So we add those two equations, we get 2 times x plus y minus 26 equals to 170, right? Positive 1 plus positive 169, negative 1. Actually, hold on 1 second. Actually, you know, I don't need to make this negative because I can change everything from here, right? Because I can change this one to be negative. I multiply -1 from here. This is negative, this becomes negative, this become positive. So here is negative, negative, because 0 times -1 is still 0. So positive, all right. So in this way, I don't have to deal with -169. So now, so I add those two equations. So I get a 160 because x and y are positive integers. So I don't need to consider the negatives. Now I move -26 to the right hand side, 170 plus 26, I get a 196. Divided by 2 on both sides, so x plus y equals to 98. Right,